Alright, so off camera I went ahead and painted the anti-scale on. So they're all painted up, ready to go. They've been drying out for over a day. So I think with these, if you watch my last two heat treating videos where I did Hamones, I only dipped the knife like right to the edge of the clay, like right here. I'm going all the way past the spine. I'm dipping it all the way in. I'm not dipping the whole thing in, but I'm gonna dip it like up to here and sink everything fast. You know, right in, right to the bottom. I'm not gonna hold it and let it burn up. It's going right in and quenched. So I got the heat treat oven now, so I figured, you know, it's gonna take about 45 minutes, half an hour for that to heat up. Here's the Parks 50. Yeah, 60 bucks, well I guess it's 50 bucks a gallon plus shipping. McMaster's 20 bucks plus shipping for a gallon, so we'll see if this is 3 times as good. There are other ones like AAA and DT48, and they're all supposed to be fast, so maybe I should have done a video on all 3 of those and see if there's any difference. Because DT48 and the AAA are just a little bit cheaper. Huh. I was worried a gallon wouldn't fit, but looks like it fits perfect. In fact, I got some in here. Yeah, these little ammo cans are awesome for quench tanks. Because see, this will go all the way down. See, all the way, you know, as we dip it, wow. I have it all soaked, and that's the longer one, so. Alright, let me get this all put away. And I got the heat treat oven heating up like I said, and whoop, and the McMaster is on deck. I'm going to do the 1095 first, because that's the hottest. So I'm going to heat it up to 1500, hold for 15 minutes with the 1095 into the McMaster Carr. Now from what I understand, Parks doesn't really have to be heated. If you do heat it to keep it under 120, where the other is like 120 to 160 or something like that. And that's Fahrenheit. So, I'm going to heat this up a little bit, and you know, when I put the knives in, when I put the 1095 knife in, I'm going to turn on the other one and heat that up and check it with the temperature gauge and all that. Alright, let's get it over there. We have hit 1500 degrees. I had to go back and look at which one was 1095 and which one, since they were covered, you know, it was kind of hard to tell. But, you know, by the painting and all that, this is 1095, and I'm going to do it in the McMaster for the big one, so I can dunk the bigger one in the bigger tank. Here we go. Alright. Oh, the store wasn't even closed. No wonder it took an hour to get up the heat. Well, there's the thing. Make sure your doors are closed when you're heating up. I've been sitting here. It's now 6:10 a.m. I've been sitting here since 3:30, waiting for this thing to get up the heat, and here it is. The door wasn't even closed all the way. Oh. Well, now it shouldn't be too much of a problem. All right, I'll be back when we're pulling it out. All righty. So we are up to temp. It's been about 5-10 minutes. It's been about 10 minutes. Actually, it's been about 12 minutes. So, it took about 3 or 4 minutes to get back up to temp, so, and we're going a little over. So let's see what we got. Now remember with this one, we're grabbing it and going straight in. Here we go. Ooh, look at that smoke. Good, set up the fan. Alright. break off this. That one. Alright. Let me set this down to already climbing down to 1460. Let's go ahead and throw that W2 in. Right. That worked out. My friend always says to cover the whole thing with clay, but for some reason I never listen to him. So that means some of the handle's going to be hardened, and but I'm not worried about the handle as much as I am the rest of it. Looks like it got pretty nice. Let's hope it works out like that. Alright. So, 6:15 in the morning. I'll be back. File case. Grabs here. See, that's the difference. I mean, this isn't hardware testing, but see how it's grabbing? You see how it's skating? That one should be good. A few more minutes. Alright, it's been about 15 minutes. I just checked. The tub is still over 120, 125. Clean off my tools. Alright. And I guess I'll just throw the other W2 in here while I set up. And we'll go from there. Can't even see. Alrighty, now I just have to go. I'll probably just move this aside. I always have a fire extinguisher. I've got actually like 3 of them here. But yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll move it over. And that was the. I was gonna say it's awful darker, but it's not. It's just the anti-scale. Okay, this is the W2. I was getting worried for a minute. I was like, man, why is that so dark? But it's just the anti-scale. Okay. There we go. Yeah. Alrighty. Let's get that other one set up here. Oh, that's not very good. Man. Well, that just went about a quarter McMaster Carr. I think I got that on tape too. Nice. Well, good thing I had extra, huh? Yeah, I should have filled it up. You know, it looks like canola. Wow, I can't wait to see how much of that one I got on film. I forgot and left it to cycle out, and it started going down again. It went down to about 1420, so I'm giving it an extra like 5 minutes or so. And it went right to like the 15 minutes and started going down, so yeah, I'm giving it just like an extra 5 or 10, so. And I soaked a bunch of blankets, well, I soaked a bunch of towels in water and placed them around so nothing would flash up. So yeah, that's all I need is oil everywhere just to light everything up, so. Let me check my oil. They say don't go over 120, so yeah, it's about 110. Alrighty. They say with parts 50 you don't really need to, But, you know, need to heat it up to 120. It can actually go at room temperature. But let's do what they say. My first time with parts. Give it a shot. It does boil up like water, that's for sure. That's actually a good thing because you can tell when you need to pull it out. No flames. But then again, I did sink it all the way through. I'm going to have some hardened handles here. Alrighty. Yeah, it's pretty close to water. Alright, no more boiling. There we go. In fact, when you pull it out, it looks just like water. The clay seems to stick harder. With the McMaster Carr, the clay came right off. On this one, it like boiled it on. Interesting. Alright, let me set. Well, let me go ahead and put that last one in. And then reset my PID. Alrighty. This is 1095, so we'll give it 10 minutes. Well, it's got to reach, it's got about 50 degrees to go up. Alright, I'll be back. 7 a.m. Last but not least, let's see what our temps are. That's been sitting for 10 minutes and it's still at 150 degrees. That's not good. That's the thing. When you don't get, yeah, so that oil, I guess even because it's even more because it's such a smaller thing. I guess I should have done the 1095 first. I hope we don't crack this. It'll be my first cracked blade, but you know, because it's too much like water. Let me maybe put some of the cold parts in and see if that will help. I got the windows open at 7 a.m. It's pretty cold in here. Yeah, it's been like 20 minutes, so I'm just going to have to go for it. Hope we don't crack it. It'll be my first cracked blade. If so. Come on, baby, let's give it to me. I guess that's why they say let it cool down. I got this wet towel. Smell it. There we go. There you go. Now we know why you don't do parts 50 over 120. Alrighty. Flash is too high. Lesson learned. Alright. Good thing I had these towels here. Alright. Yeah. First I thought I might have them right, or have them wrong. But this is the 1095, this is the hollow grind, so I got them right. Good job, good job. Be interested to see how these Simones turned out. So now we know, do not do parks over 120 degrees. See what we got here. Biting on the back, skating on the front. That's all we need to know. Skating on the front, biting on the back. Alright. I think that's it for this. I'm going to go wash them all off, let them cool down, wash off. Go eat some breakfast since it's 7:10 in the morning. Alright. And now it's on to, I'm going to throw them in the temper. I think I'm going to throw them all in the same temper, maybe at 400. That'll bring the W2 down a little bit to like 60 and, you know, keep them all around 60. Because with W2 I think you're supposed to temper at like 360 or something like that. And yeah, 1095 is 400 or 450 or something. So we'll keep it around 400 and see where we're at. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this was interesting. You got to see me spill oil all over the place. The most expensive oil there is, and I spill it everywhere. Alrighty. Thanks for watching. Please like, please comment, please subscribe, and can't wait to see how these all turn out. At least I know they're all hard, and the backs are all soft. So, thanks for watching. Take it easy.